Hello guys, welcome to my channel again, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make Afrobeat drum loop as a pro. Very easy to make. So let's dive into our door. So guys, the first thing we need to do is to fix our tempo, BPM, set our BPM. I think 100 is okay. So let me look for drum shots. And this is okay. Okay. So yes, you can just copy it. You highlight it and you copy. In case you don't know how to highlight, just press Ctrl A to highlight and Ctrl C to copy. Let's do that again. And you press Ctrl V to paste it. Let me stop the metronome. Okay. You can just play around it, knowing what you're doing, depending on the vibe that you want to get. And also, don't forget that you need to select the right shot to give you the exact vibe that you want to create. So don't forget that. Let me look for conga. No? You're getting something. I'm loving it. Let's add a shaker. to support the rim shot. Now let's look for a kick. Now you can hear that. Just to can hear it. That's just it. Very, very, very easy. You can just play around it depending on what you want to get. So let me look for a loop so we can hear what we just done. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This. Okay. Now let's hear it with the guitar loop. You can, it's very, very simple. Very, very simple. Just know what you are doing. It's very, very easy and simple. You can still add more percussions depending on what you want to create. But don't forget, the right selection of your shots really matter while making your drums. You need to be able to select the right shots. Very easy. That's that for this video. And don't forget to subscribe. On to the next. Peace out.